Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome back to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and pick out the winner, not only to these makes, but to my blush paper collection, which is out right now. And enjoy the video. So we're back on my desk, and I'm just going to show you a little bit of it. Over here, I included some items that I bought from Temu. These are flowers that I think you will have good use of in your crafting. I went ahead and added a couple of things in here. Okay, and so yeah, and like I mentioned earlier, you also get the paper pack, and so yeah, I am so excited. And I also want to let you know that we're also having a BOGO sale right now, and you on the first page of my website, you might also want to have a sneak peek of what's coming up next month. So be sure that you are subscribed to all of our members of our design team. Not very many of them. They were carefully chosen by Jenny, and so thank you, Jenny. Hi, Jenny. And so excuse me. That way, I'll go ahead and leave you with their links in the description area below, so that you can hop on over to their channels, subscribe to their channels, so that you get to view their unboxing of our brand new paper collection for April. And I'm so excited because there's a story behind it. I'm pretty sure that Jenny will let you all know about it. So yeah, I have my notebook here, and we had quite a few entries. Like I had said earlier that, let's see, you go ahead and you comment on the videos. And let me see, let me just show you. And I started from the first video, okay, and this is for the Easter craft. Why did I put Aster? It's supposed to be an E. And so, we're going to go with from number 1. Okay, that's the entry. Those are the people who followed the instructions, by the way. And pretty much the instructions were to write down, please enter me in the videos. So if you did that, you should be able to see your name right along here. And so we have these, and I also need to check whoever wins this. I also need to check that they are a visible subscriber to my channel. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so we have our random number generator pulled up. Let's go ahead and see who our winner is. We have 41 entries. Let me go ahead and click on generate. And we have a winner. Ding, 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 ding. And number 22 is none other than, oops, why did it do that? Did you see that? My video skipped. For some reason, the camera made it skip. Oh, I see, because I have emails coming in. Okay, what number was it? 22. It did it again. Alicia Hayes. All right. Ding, 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 ding. Congratulations, Miss Alicia. Let's see. I don't think I have your, you know what? I'll go ahead and check and see if I have your address. And thank you all so very much for participating in my giveaway. And you know what? Let's keep doing this every time I come out here on the first and show you what the new collection is. Not only will you be able to win the collection, but also the makes that I make for that. Okay, so let's keep doing that. Please continue to watch our videos and commenting on our videos. And when I say our, I mean me and my my design team. And yeah, keep giving me those thumbs up. It helps so very much. And yeah, I hope that y'all have a wonderful weekend. Congratulations once again, Alicia. Bye-bye now.